Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me a Mitsubishi Triton JAF road service car. So this one's number 93 under Takara Tomy, and we can see the picture of the car right here. Top of the box, just 93 and a couple other stuff. The back, made in 2016, over here and here. And for the base, it's just a warning label. So for those who don't know, JAF stands for Japanese Automobile Federation. Kind of learned that at the Tokyo Motor Show 2017 when I went there, because they had a little booth at the show. So anyway, you can see the JAF decal on the side of the car, saying Japan Automobile Federation. Yeah, same thing. Anyway, this is a decal, not really a sticker. And yeah, let's get on with the review from the front of the car. So we have the Mitsubishi logo in silver right there. A bit of paint loss down there below the Mitsubishi logo, but you know, I've never dropped this thing before or never played with it, so I think that's just a factory defect. So the front bumper here looks a bit darker blue than the rest of the cab. I don't know if it's actually darker blue, but it's painted on a separate piece of plastic. This one's on plastic, not metal, just say. So anyway, the fog lights have no tampos, just plain blue. And the headlights are, yeah, transparent plastic. Front grille here, matte black paint, and JAF across the front of the bonnet. Transparent windscreen there, just normal transparent plastic with a black interior. Another JAF decal on the other side of the car. So honestly, it's a bit hard to tell what's the base color of this car, because it's like half white and half blue. So like the front half, starting from here, is blue, and the rear the pickup hatch is also blue. So yeah, anyway, for the roof, we can see a light bar with a silver center connected by the transparent dark red pins at the side. So for the back window is actually just painted on in black. So yeah, looks like more of a tampo than a sticker. So anyway, the back of the pickup has these little grooves in here, which is very detailed, as well as your wheel arches. So yeah, very detailed for the back of the truck. And this side of the rear is actually white, while this side is blue. So the handle here is just blue, no extra details, and red rear light tampos. So yeah, for the base, we have this little rear bumper just sticking out from the base, and Tomica Tomy Mitsubishi Triton, made in Vietnam, 109. So this one's the 2009 Mitsubishi Triton, and yeah, so that's pretty much it for today's video. So thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.